Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to delete your Blender account. To delete your Blender account, first click on browser. Go to blendr.com, blendr.com. First you have to log in your account. After you log in your account, click on your profile. Click on settings. Click on delete account. Click on delete your account. Click on continue. Click on delete your account. Select the reason why you want to delete. Click on continue. Enter your current password. Enter the captcha shown on the screen. Click on delete your account. Click on close. Now your account has been successfully deleted. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.